baby from she 3 months old. And you end up being the mother for this little girl in Portland. Right? No matter how you can read, you can write, you can count, you can talk. And if it be dummy, you could have get one invigilator, somebody who can tell what you say. You could have come out and you could have bet the people them know say, this me I try to say, and that me I try to say.
That's so Chanel mother, right? Chanel mother, Chanel granny.
Huh?
Who you talk now? Chanel granny?
No, my Crystal granny. Crystal me reach now. Yeah, Portland me reach now. So all if you can't talk, right? You say to somebody, say, come here. Turn the phone upside down and make one recording and you can go get to the people them for post. And make them know say the little girl wasn't here the last time I see the little girl and where I whip out me the day from women never day and what she for do. You just sit down dead easy, dead beat. Like it's quite fine for this little child to go and you know come out, go make people know say me sorry over me little baby when me lose. What you left the world to think?
Yeah.
You better if you didn't even come out and say click the live with me. What you up on live? Let me get over there. Go in the box and let me tell them. Oh no, call me name, you know, because I know made nothing. I beg you to call me name and right now I'm glad for no help because I want to know who do my granny this. It's not up over the same way. Your broad knows something. You see him, you slip as much they must lean till on his foot over in a Portland if you walk up and down through the hill there. Rocks anything. Is anybody will come out of bush tiger like that? Jaden come from bush now. This little girl over Chile come from bush and them over Portland again. They live in bush again. Why the people in the bush wicked sir?
And we need to focus on that, you know, because you what now, you're right, you know. Because I haven't heard nothing about that grandmother, nothing at all.
Nothing.
Come to think about it.
Nothing at all. She don't come out and say nothing at all. Right? You not hear her upon nothing.
And then them a go come tell me like and take it there for food, come tell about how them a grieve. And everybody grieve different.
Una grieve. I should have did over there and my bikini. The whole on the houseless. $100 gas and one box of matches. The whole on a run up and down fire walk the boat and I grieve. And none that grieve because that grieve for the little girl and that grieve for find place to live.
What am I gonna do? I gotta get back on the Portland little baby because here what now, as I said, I know somebody were up there and the person's family member, not close family member, but the person's family member, and they were doing good. I should never go back to them because I said they get voice note, so they was doing good, and she could have given me the name of everybody and who named that and who are John Croft and who are probate and all of these things. So I gotta get back on it.
It needs attention. It needs attention, right? Let me tell you. To me, you see, because they come off and you know they on the media like that again, right? They feel to say they have everything covered.
Yeah.
Right? Then cover them good. So you know what we're going to hear now after this? Oh, the funeral day is today, and then she put on and that's it. In time you see the casket go underneath the earth. That's it. In time the grave closed, that's it. Right? The little girl don't have to bury no time soon yet. I'm sorry if I say so. But here what there's a lot to this little girl.
It's
reality. There's a lot to this little girl. This little girl not for bury so. There's a lot to this little girl. Right? And if somebody from Portland can say this is how every cases go in Portland, none have never been solved. This is gonna be the first one. I could try to make the first one to be the one to solve.
I'm with you on it. I'm not right. I'm with you on it.
You understand me? I could try our best to make that one to be the first one solved.
I'm with you, Lava.
Right.
And I'm sure that everybody in the chat is with you.
Yeah, that's right, because
make we keep them on the map.
Yes, man, keep them on the map.
Keep them on the map. Raise no one.
Yes, man, keep them on the map. And yes, let me show you what happened. You see what happened now, Tiger? Right? You can't come out and decide, say, we're out here and we're doing justice for this child. Right? Don't make nobody fool, you know. Don't make nobody play, you know. Tell them, Tiger, listen to me. Don't make nobody come out and tell you, say, them are going to sue Lava when Lava call their name. You have to go sue the whole TikTok platform. You have to sue over 300 somebody over here. So don't make them come fool you, make you jog up in your shell. You understand? And you when you dip on TikTok, is where the people them come over. And I must remember, say, people when I talk about an account sue and account this, remember TikTok, right? Have a recording that you can play back. Me can give it to my lawyer. I want me hear talk, so no that I will have a go represent you were talking a recording and come with me too.
Me a quote.
Yeah, you understand me? A quote.
That's the thing in the Lava. I don't know, but me never had an issue with them people and them sit there because me go for everybody because you can't come give me a story. Because me, I talk what you say. Say me I tell you, you go in a prison yet.
You see, in a Jaden case, nobody never afraid for call nobody name. Nobody never afraid for class nobody over there. The people then get some name hyena, crocodile, this, that. They get some name, every name in the zoo. Right? And they have to take it. You see, if you know you not do it, run out, man, and defend your name.
Listen, that's how you have to do. Run out.
That's
and
defend yourself.
If it makes sense, if you come to where it makes sense, we take you off of the list.
We take you off of the list, so run out. You understand?
Yes, that's all you have to do. Run out and make sense.
So when me see people go depend and you go talk about you for this and you for this and you for this. This is what idiot. What me for this is offer?
I choose me baptized tomorrow. Me no want tell you which part them because this is here.
You understand? This is what the people in the era coming out and talking and giving us the we're not doing on the priest, a little era, no community. And the people them attack and the people them over there. Me I don't never born for the same mother and father that me can't know no name. Right? I people them over there give me no name. Right? So then if you find the people them I send out to the name. I see when they get the name them, they name them for goats. But then defend their name.
What do you mean?
Because if you can't come defend the name, something about it. Even the grandmother me wait for she come out come defend her name grandmother, because not you're right they may not call. Because her grandmother your name. Come out come defend your name and tell the people them how you feel about the situation. And then they will put you on a scale of 0 to 10, Tiger. And then we are going to tell you, say, when you don't talk, and when you not talk, I may get the chance of you know, lady, me not believe nothing what you say. You have to go in the sweat box.
Obviously.
You understand? You have to go in the sweat box.
That's right.
Nobody have to go talk.
I have to say this on national TV. Me glad this time you take your mama, because at the end of the day, as I said to you, say, I see him, that's why I not trust people. I feel we see people myself because I feel we see people. Me here talk, say what we are do. And them say man go back and say and I come make people talk about season. This is me say if me never baptized tomorrow, I would have tell you no which part of the season this is, you see.
That's alright, yeah, Tiger, because they sell out Jesus, it's 30 pieces of silver don't even sell a Jamaica, that's your roadside and nobody not pick up it. So that's still alright.
When me hear that I sit there, I say that born me bad enough, I say, but at the end of the day, brother, then remember saying no man, we name justice for the kids, them, you know. We name justice, you know, so what? You think me I put no adult feelings over so no pick no one? No. You know idea? No. I want to pick no wrong, brother, I have to prove for myself right and that me I try to tell you that there's somebody right now. Alright, let me tell you one story when me go through the other day one never know. Me can't talk now because me find it back. My daughter lost her cat for the last week or so. And let me tell you something. So the cat find back, I have to come tell you no porcupine and me cry. Because my daughter wasn't talking, my daughter wasn't doing nothing for the last week, and that me I suffer through. When you know see me, my daughter lost her cat, her puss, her meow.
Tiger, me say, I'm wicked people, you see, lose people, right? All this a grandmother, yeah? Every day me there at Port Antonio Square sit down, all and ball. I hear what you say along with the house, so the dead house with the baby there. Every day me gonna look for her. Cause remember she have her for 3 months, you know. Right? Or you sleeping at the house. All the clothes them you sit down and wash, you should have throw them away. Because not even see me no want to see them. Because me not see you, so me no want to see nothing for you.
Lava, let me tell you, say, me, when people see me come out here, so, and me I do lava, and they feel like, say, I just chat me love, chat more than nobody else. Let me show you something, because I don't feel like I lie, me I tell you now. Oh, let me show you something. And someone who's supposed to know what my pitney look like. See it here? See me pitney just from back here. See pussy there just come back.
Mm-hmm.
You see it? I post that just come back. And a 1 week, me I look for that post and I say it's sitting give me morning, it's give me morning, it's give me morning. Because my daughter, she not talk, she not do nothing. Nobody, she not take no talk from nobody. And me couldn't rest until we find back that post there. And you go tell me say your granddaughter, how your grandson out and only not feeling need to go look for no pitney.
Exactly.
When you come like a drunk, hey, listen. Sure. You know what, and that's why when them adults come up and they come tell me about, oh, don't say this about the parents are cease and desist, yo, no
yeah, your blouse and skirt.
Pants and shirt.
Pants and shirt. Wow. Everybody are going at it until they can clear themselves.
Everybody.
Right? And what you have to understand, Tiger, I'm sit down and study TikTok. It's not everybody on TikTok saying justice and they want